And a big story after the High Court, it's now the Supreme Court which is now batting for the rights of citizens of Delhi, and this is over the farmer blockade of the Singhu border, that is the Shambhu border, that's been going on for several months now. The Supreme Court has made a very strong observation, said that how can a state block a key highway? It has directed the Haryana government to open the border for all, not just for farmers, and it says that it's Haryana's responsibility to regulate traffic and smooth traffic through the border. Let me go across to my colleague Harish joining us with more details. Harish, this is a very important development coming in from the Supreme Court. Take us through some of the key observations.
Yes, that's right. How can a state block a highway? It has a duty to regulate traffic. We are saying open but regulate. This is Supreme Court orally remarking on the Punjab and Haryana High Court, in fact, supporting it in order to unlock the Shambhu border. The remark came during the hearing of Haryana government's plea against judicial prohibited death of a 22-year-old youth who were protesting during the farmers' agitation. The remark came when the state surprisingly said that it is going to file an appeal against the recent order of the High Court directing to unlock Singhu border. In fact, the Justice Suryakant was quick to ask, why do you want to challenge the order? Farmers are citizens. Give them food and good medical care. And I think you don't you commute by road? Asked Justice Kant to counsel. The counsel said, I do. Justice Kant then said, then you must be experiencing difficulties. Justice Bhuyan then came in saying, how can the state block a highway? The bench said, you open it and then regulate. In a way, the Supreme Court supporting the High Court order. Remember, the Supreme Court had been repeatedly saying that public carriageway cannot be blocked. All the protests and every protest, whatever it is planned, should be at a designated area. And right to protest may be a fundamental right, but that should not encroach to the right of these citizens to move freely on a public area. And so that once again, Supreme Court observing that public spaces cannot be blocked and citizens have a right to free movement. Back to you.
Absolutely. Citizens have the right to free movement, and no protest should be above the lives and the livelihoods of common citizens. Thanks a lot, Harish, for joining us with those details.